Workday just turned its HR and finance suite into something you talk to. On March 17th, 2026, it launched Sana, built on the Swedish AI startup it bought for roughly $1.1 billion. The self-service agent ships with 300-plus skills across pay, time, and absence, and in May Workday added Sana for IT service management and a travel agent. Over the next few minutes, we will unpack what Sana is, how it works, and whether it actually changes enterprise software. Let us start with the core idea behind Workday Sana. Here are the essentials of Workday Sana in plain language, what it is and why it was introduced. Workday made Sana generally available on March 17, 2026. It is built on Sana, a Swedish AI company founded in 2016 that Workday agreed to acquire for roughly $1.1 billion in September 2025. The Sana self-service agent launches with 300-plus skills across pay, time, and absence. Workday says it is already handling everyday HR and finance tasks for customers worldwide, reducing support tickets through conversation. On May 21, 2026, Workday announced Sana for IT service management, automating onboarding, access changes, and password resets, plus a travel agent that books trips and auto-codes expenses inside Workday. Sana Enterprise extends agents beyond Workday into Gmail, Outlook, Salesforce, ServiceNow, SharePoint, Slack, and Jira, so they can find and orchestrate work across the systems employees already use daily. Now let us look at why Workday Sana matters in practice. Here is where Workday Sana shows up in real products, teams, and decisions. We see the no extra license model as the real lever. Bundling Sana for Workday and the self-service agent into existing flex credits removes the procurement friction that usually stalls enterprise AI pilots for quarters. Watch the calendar. Sana for ITSM is early adopter in the second half of 2026, with general availability later. Treat the splashy demos as direction, not something every customer can deploy across the org today. Our read is that Workday is wagering the interface itself disappears. Collapsing multi-step tasks into one chat threatens the navigation-heavy UX that enterprise suites have monetized for 2 decades. That is a structural bet, not a feature. Because Sana runs on Workday's existing security, approval chains, and policy data, it sidesteps the trust gap that bolt-on agents face. We think that data context, not raw model quality, will decide who wins enterprise agents. Let us recap the key takeaways on Workday Sana and what to do next. Sana from Workday launched March 17, 2026, built on the Swedish startup Workday, acquired for roughly $1.1 billion. It turns HR and finance tasks into a conversation. The self-service agent ships with 300-plus skills across pay, time, and absence, already cutting support tickets for customers worldwide, according to Workday. May 2026 added Sana for IT service management and a travel agent that books trips and auto-codes expenses, both rolling out to early adopters through 2026. Bundled flex credits pricing and deep Workday data context, spanning 11,500-plus organizations, are what set Sana apart from standalone agent vendors. That is Workday Sana, from a $1.1 billion acquisition to 300-plus skills, now answering employees in chat. If breakdowns of enterprise AI launches like this are useful to you, head over to Standarity.com, where we track the tools reshaping how teams actually work. We will see you in the next one.